Hey guys, Kill Stokes here. I want to pop in and share with you a quick trading idea that we looked at in this morning's live trading room. We're going to be here on the DAX, and what we're looking for is a potential bullish continuation trade. So starting from the higher time frame, the first thing that I recognized was that price action had recently broken and closed above our most recent level of structure resistance. If we take a look at what price has been doing, obviously we've been in this little period of consolidation, but the most recent moves were a move down, a retracement up, an extension down that held structure looking left, and then a violation of that level. Now, I work with a 3-point or 4-point prediction process called IPDE, where I want to identify what price is doing, what price has done. Based on strict rules of what I identify, it allows me to predict what price is likely to do next, and then I want to decide how to handle it and then finally execute the order. So identifying a break and close above structure allows me to make the prediction that price is likely to go higher. And if price is likely to go higher, then my prediction is that we're likely to retest this zone right here. The next part of that prediction process is not just what direction is price likely to go in, not just where is price likely to go, but also how is price likely to get there. And my personal way of trading is looking for a pullback, and that's what we're getting right now. Now, we have an interesting pullback here, and you'll see it clearer when we go down to the hourly chart, but we have two things happening. One, we have a previous level of structure resistance, I'll make this red, being violated. And after structure resistance, that was a horrible job of doing that. Let's try this again. After structure resistance is violated, I would expect it to act as recent structure support, right? So we have resistance right here. I'm going to get this on at some point. I'm going to butcher it because I can't spell, but let's try it. Resistance, right there. I hope that's right. And then once it's violated, it turns to potential support. Now, the interesting thing about this support level is that, yes, it is the first place we would expect price to go to, but not the most important place. You see, in this move up, we put in a very nice pennant pattern. Price extended up. We then put in a move that looked like this, and we eventually broke out to the upside. This is the level of structure, that I would expect price action to pull back into. And this would be the level where I would be looking for trading opportunities. Now, where in this level are we going to pull back into? I don't know yet, but it also doesn't really matter too much. We can bring stuff like volume in. We can bring fibs in. Maybe we'll do some of that right now, just to kind of give you an idea. There's a volume spike right in there, so that allows you to kind of isolate that zone a little bit more. We can bring a Fibonacci retracement in. Looks like we'll probably just miss on a 382 from our bigger swing. Oh, look at that. I should have more confidence in myself. 382 Fibonacci retracement right in there. Now with ultimate confidence, we'll take one more from our most recent swing. Let's go to bottom of this flag pattern, pennant pattern, and 618. Close, 618 and 7886 bracketing that area. But what we were able to do is kind of isolate that bigger zone and put it into a smaller zone. So even though the bigger zone is still the area in which we should look for longs, the smaller zone is where we would probably expect longs to happen at. Now, I'm not as aggressive to just like put a limit order down there and say, hey, if it hits down there, we buy. Nothing wrong with doing that if that's your cup of tea. I like to be predictive in my analysis and reactive in my execution. So what that means is that if price action reaches that zone, then I need to wait for a price action clue to tell me that we're more likely to reverse in that zone than not. And if we do, then it's a nice little pullback trading opportunity where you can look for the extension higher. So cool opportunity here on the DAX. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Hit that like button if you like my oversimplified way of analyzing the markets. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.